The students of class 5C have to prepare a worksheet of the total runs scored by all the cricket team members in their school in an inter-school cricket competition. They also have to save the worksheet. How will you do this task? To begin, click Start, Excel 2016. The Excel window opens. Select Blank Workbook. A blank Excel worksheet will open. Type the heading Cricketer Name in A1. If the cell content is too long, manually change the width of the column. Position the mouse pointer on the right boundary of a column heading until it turns to a double-sided arrow. Drag it to the right until the column is of the width you want. Type the heading Total Runs in B1. Adjust the column if required. Now type the data in appropriate cells. Click the File tab. The Backstage view appears. Select the Save option. The Save As page appears. Select this PC. Click on the Browse button. The Save As dialog box appears. Select the desired location on the computer and type the desired file name in the File Name box. Click Save. The worksheet is now saved with a name. That's all in this session, kids. See you later.